Microsoft releases new Windows 11 24H2 preview ISO images for clean installation. Today is a busy day for Windows insiders. Shortly after releasing a new Canary build, Microsoft pushed fresh updates for testing in the beta and release preview channels for both Windows 10 and 11. In addition, to help those wanting to get to the upcoming feature update faster, Microsoft updated its official Windows Insider ISO images. They are now on version 26100.1150 and include recent security updates released as part of the July Patch Tuesday updates. Windows 11 build 26100.1150 is available for x86 and ARM64. The first option is for customers with Intel or AMD-based computers, and the second option is for people rocking Windows PCs with Qualcomm Snapdragon or Microsoft Square processors. Macs with Apple Silicon chips are also supported. You can download Windows 11 build 26100.1150 x86 ISO here. VHDX images for ARM-based devices are available here. Keep in mind that Windows 11 preview images still require activation with a genuine license key of a matching SKU. The only official Windows images that do not require activation are Microsoft's official virtual machines, also known as the Windows Developer Environment. You can get those here, but note that those will expire soon. The time bomb is set to July 15th, plus Microsoft will remove some of the pre-built virtual machines on that day due to ongoing technical issues. TSMC chip sales surge on AI infrastructure demand. It is worth noting that Windows 11 version 24H2 is already available to some users. Customers with Copilot Plus PCs, those powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X processors, are now running 24H2. Those with Intel or AMD-based computers will get the update in a few months, most likely in September or October. And with Windows 11 24H2 getting nigh, Microsoft is preparing to drop Windows 11 versions 21H2 and 22H2. They will be out of support and stop receiving updates.